the last episode, I have clearly shown you how to multiply 3 digits into 3 digits in crisscross method. Now, just I am showing you some more aspects of crisscross method, and I revise all the 4 methods. Please observe. In crisscross method, I have shown you how to multiply 3 digits. For example, small
131 into 112.
Okay, here 2 ones 2, 3 2 6 plus 1 7, and all the 3, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 1 1 3, 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, next 1 into 1 1, 3 into 1 3 4, 1 into 1 1. This is the method I have told you. 2 into 1 2, 3 into 2 6, 1 into 1 1, 6 plus 1 7. Now all the 3, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 1 1 3, 3 into 1 3 6. Next 1 into 1 1, 1 into 3 3, 3 plus 1 4, 1 into 1 1. This method applies to all the 3 digits into 3 digits. Already other 3 methods are there where you can do simply. Suppose you see, if you want to multiply
312 into 212.
it can be done easily
Give a slash.
because last two digits you can happily multiply. You know pretty well 12 into 12 144.
144. 44 here, 1 outside.
12 into 3 36, 2 into 12 24 60, 60 plus 1 61, and 3 to 6. This is a easier way, isn't it? Because if you can multiply these two digits easily, this system should be applied. So here easily you have done 12 12 144, 44 1 outside, 12 3 is 36, 12 2 is 24 60, plus 1 61, 3 to 6. But if you forget even giving the slash all this method, it can be done by crisscross. Crisscross is final, that I want to see you. See,
312 into 212.
forgotten to give slash or something like that. Now use crisscross. This applies. See, 2 2 is 4, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 2 2. So 4. Next all the 3, 3 2 6, 2 2 is 4, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 into 1 1 11, 1 here 1 outside. Next last 2, 3 into 1 3, 2 into 1 2 5, plus 1 6. Next 3 to 6. So 6 6 144, 6 6 114. So this crisscross method can be applied for any 3 digits into 3 digits. But why I have told all these 3 means, that is easy.
304 into 305.
Now if you give slash, 5 4 is 20, 5 3 is 15, 4 3 is 12, 15 plus 12 27, 3 3 is 9 over. But if you go for crisscross, it takes some time. Here 5 4 is 20, 0 here, 2 outside, again 0, 5 into 0 0, 4 into 0 0 2, 5 3 is 15, 4 3 is 12, 27, 7 here, 2 out, again 0 0, again 2 will come, 3 3 9. But instead of doing all this, if you give slash, you can do it. That is why clearly I told you 3 methods. First give slash and try to multiply. If it is not possible, okay, then you see whether it can be converted into speed math. 398 into 298, you convert, or you convert either one of them. 398 into 204, 204 don't touch, 398 you convert. Like that, those 3 methods will help you in that way, instead of using crisscross. But if you use that, time is saved. But this crisscross is final. It can be applied to 304 into 305, or 394 into 395, or 394 into 305. Any all the 3 methods are there, but this is final. But here some doubts will automatically will get. Suppose
131 into 54.
how to do? Here when things are like this,
Add 0.
in the left side, because left side 0 will not have any value. Now it is 3 digits into 3 digits. Go for crisscross like this. 4 into 1 4, 4 3 is 12, 5 into 1 5, 12 plus 5 17, 1 side. Now all the 3, 4 into 1 4, this is 0, 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 4 19 plus 1 20, 0 here, 2 outside. Now last 2, 5 into 1 5, 0 into 3 0. So only 5, 5 plus 2 7, and 1 into 0 0.
The answer is 7074.
I will repeat it again, kindly see. 131 into 054. So add 0 in the left side. Left side 0 has no value. So 3 digits into 3 digits. So clearly you can use this crisscross method. 4 into 1 4, okay. Next 4 into 3 7, 5 4 into 3 12, sorry 5 into 1 5, 12 plus 5 17, 7 here 1 outside, okay. Next all the 3, 4 into 1 4, 0 into 1 0, 0 that is 4, plus 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 1 20, so 0 here 2 outside, okay. Now last 2, 5 into 1 5, 0 into 3 0, so 5 plus 2 7, right. Next 0 into 1 0 and last side 0 no value, okay. So the answer is 707. Like that, if you are having 2 digits either on the top side or on the bottom side, for the third digit you add 0 in the left side and do anything. See
43 into 516. Put 0.
now 6 into 3 18, 6 into 4 24, 24 plus 3 27, 27 plus 1 28 2. Next all the 3, 6 into 0 0, 5 into 3 15, 4 into 1 4, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 2 21, 1 here 2 outside. Now next last 2, 5 into 4 20, 1 into 0 0, 20 plus 2 22, again 2 outside, 5 into 0 0, 0 plus 2 2, okay. I think it is very clear. I will tell you again. 6 into 3 18, 8 here 1 outside. Next 6 into 4 24, 1 into 3 3, 24 plus 3 27 plus 1 28, 8 here 2 here. Now all the 3, that is a little bit important. 6 into 0 0, 5 into 3 15, 1 into 4 4, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 2 21, so 1 here again 2 outside, right. Next last 2, 1 into 0 0, 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 2 22, again 2 here 2 outside, last 5 into 0 0, 0 plus 2 2. So like that, when you have 3 digits and 2 digits, add 0 and do, okay. Finally I think you are thorough with all the 4 multiplications, because these multiplications are very important. I want to show you again clearly. Please observe carefully. So method 1.
Method number 1. 304 into 506. Give slash.
Because you can multiply these two, 6 4s 24, 6 3s 18, 5 4s 20, 20 plus 18 38, 15, like that. Answer you leave it. So like this you have to give slash. Another method is
Method number 2. 398 into 596. 398 written as 400 minus 2, 596 written as 600 minus 4. Give a slash.
so 496 you convert it as 500 minus 4, and 304 you don't touch it because it is small number, and give slash. These are the, this is first method, this is second method, this is third method, and finally the fourth method is crisscross, okay. That 415 into 386, so you have to multiply individually. 6 into 5, again 61 into 85, again 64 into 64 plus 35 into 18, like that. First you have to multiply these two, next cross multiplication of these two, next cross multiplication of all the 3, next cross multiplication of last 2, 41 and 38, finally 4 into 3. So give slash and do, convert, give slash and do, convert either one of and do. If you cannot, if it doesn't come under all the 3, finally crisscross method. I have clearly shown you A, B, C, X, Y, Z how to do. Please do remember. And one more thing, and some people may be having an idea, some 10th class people or intermediate people, sir, arithmetic is not necessary for us, we are in 10th class, we want only algebra. This is all joke. All these things can be applied to your algebra. Definitely it. See
2x minus 3y plus 5z into 4x plus 3y minus 6z.
I will show you clearly. So, do not think, sir, this is only arithmetic, it is not for us. This can be used for all multiplications, wherever there are, let them be in trigonometry or calculus or algebra, wherever it is. This system can be applied. For 2 digits already I have told you, that is like this, 6x minus 5y into 5x plus 6y. Just multiply, cross multiply, multiply. I told you that system like that. For 2 digits or 3 digits, for any number of digits, all these rules will apply to everything. Okay? Thank you.